This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've already paid, so start by confirming the transaction ID and the smart card or account number exactly. This is the key to resolution. Next, make sure the set-top box is powered and connected. Reboot it once by unplugging for 20 seconds, then plug back in. While it restarts, check the GotV app or the SMS confirmation to verify status. If the payment shows pending, note the timestamp and the reference so you can use it in the next steps. Once done, instruct your box to resync with the server. Open the GotV app or dial the Refresh UST and supply the smart card number plus the transaction ID. Then, on the set-top box, navigate to Account or System and choose Refresh or Reload, entering the reference manually if required. Make sure to wait 3 to 5 minutes because server propagation can take that long. If channels don't reappear, perform a channel rescan or you should now either have service restored or be ready to escalate. If the error persists, gather the transaction ID, payment time, and the exact GotV error code and contact support. Give them those details right away. As a last resort, try a factory reset after noting settings. This can clear persistent configuration issues but may require reactivation. If that fails, request a smart card swap or visit an authorized service center. This usually resolves hardware or card-related errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.